Hi there, I'm Alex from WTI. This balance disc from URBNFit is one of those pieces of equipment that can actually contribute to a full body workout. Let me show you. Not only can you improve your strength on this disc, but also your posture and your balance. What I liked most about it is that it works for all levels of fitness. You would just need to adjust or modify certain movements. I also like that it gives me instant posture as soon as I sit on it. And for someone who's always trying to work on their posture, I was really happy with that feature. My niece also likes to use it as a cushion for when she's reading. It's comfortable and it helps her to concentrate better. Lastly, I was grateful that it came with its own air pump. I always think I have one in my home, but I never know where it is. So again, a great bonus that the pump was included. This balance disc is compact, it's not very big, it's multi-purpose, and it can contribute to your overall health. I would highly recommend URBNFit any day to anyone, and that's my point of view.